Hey guys, so I'm at Lowe's and I just picked up a Merlot grapevine. This thing is huge for $30, and I also got a raspberry bush. But I wanted to come back here and just share with you what I've learned about picking plants, at least for this vine. See how thick the stem is? Really nice thick stalk. And then some of the other ones, see how they're like a lot skinnier? So that's what you want to look for. So I found the one, see how that one kind of like doubles into two? So you want to find one that's like a nice strong just single stalk. So I think I found the best one here. And we're gonna put this potentially over the chicken coop run. All right, so I got the flower bed planted over here, and now I am filling in with mulch. How do you guys think it looks? I have penstemon, snapdragons. These are like pink purplish roses. Okay, so I laid all the mulch, and I'm just going to just goes down. Hopefully all this will fill in and stay alive. And next step will be to get some sort of a border edge around here. I'm trying to decide what type to make it look really nice. I'm at the nursery picking up 6 beautiful plants that are going to go in that spot between the RV garage and the house. And I want to show you what they are. This is one of my favorite plant brands, Monrovia. They always have high quality, gorgeous plants. And these are called, they're very fancy, Chateau de Versailles Rose of Sharon. And here's what the flowers are going to look like. These guys are just loaded with blooms. So I can't wait to get them in the ground, and they'll be super happy and get these beautiful flowers on them. And inside the tag shows you all the details about it. These particular plants will get to be about 6 feet high and 4 feet wide. So it will be perfect for that spot. So let's get them loaded up into my SUV, and then we'll get them planted. So my daughter's with me, and she just discovered that there's a garden cat over here. So let's go take a look. Oh no, it's not friendly. Aw, she sure looks sweet though. I know. If you were following along yesterday in stories, you saw that I picked up the plants that are going to go in between the house and the RV garage, and the holes were already dug for them by the landscaping guys who put in our turf, so that was really helpful. And I got the first 2 planted, and I'm going to show you next my tips and tricks for planting 101. Okay, so here's a little planting 101. So after your hole is dug for your plant, you want to mix the native soil in with a couple inches of some good garden soil. So I might get a little bit more in here. Hopefully I don't get blown away. It's super windy here today. Here's what I'm planting, and in a second I'll rewind and show you how I planted these. But in case you missed it yesterday, here's what I'm planting. These gorgeous Chateau de Versailles Rose of Sharon plants by Monrovia, and they have these gorgeous showy purple flowers, and each of these plants are just loaded with all these buds. So I can't wait for this to get settled into the soil and really start to take off. When you're ready to plant your plant in the hole, you just want to get a firm hold on the base of the stalk, and it should pull right out and easily go right into your hole. And if the roots are dried up for some reason, which these are not at all you have to do is just kind of spread out the roots at the base in order to get the roots to grab into the soil. Once your plant is set, you just want to add some good garden soil and put it all around. Okay, so the final step is going to be to lay a couple inches of mulch around each plant, and this just helps protect the plant and keep it happy. I just popped in the last 4 plants, and I hope my planting 101 was helpful to you, whether you're new to gardening or thinking about it. It's really a great hobby, and it's something that I've enjoyed pretty much my whole life. My grandparents and my mom had gardens. My grandparents had a vegetable garden and a flower garden, and I remember in the evenings we used to walk around and my grandma and my mom would talk about each flower and what they were, and it's just a relaxing and enjoyable hobby. So I encourage you guys to think about gardening, and I hope this was helpful. I'll keep you updated on how these grow and when they start to bloom.
Cover me in sunshine.